Hey guys, this big box in front of you is the Razor MX500 dirt bike. It's a motocross motorcycle, all electric. I felt that a kid's bike should be unboxed by kids. Good job, you two. Do you guys think it's in one piece?
No, wheels are in here and then this is here. So there's one wheel in here and then I think you just have to do something.
Alright. Oh, it's a heavy piece. And there it is, outside the box. Okay girls, help me out. Let's get the rest of it.
These can just push down on both sides. So you can put your feet and then you can push them right back up.
This looks like a fender.
I think it might go on the front wheel. And then this is the charger.
Alright.
With lots of other pieces.
You girls want to open this?
So it comes with this, the charger to charge the charging box, and the charging box is located right here. We have some tools.
Okay. Alright, some tools to assemble it.
We have another tool.
Let's see everything they provided. This looks like the axle. Check out the owner's manual.
And it comes with whatever this is. And if you guys are wondering why this wheel is bigger than the back wheel, and here's the comparison, is because on the MX500, which this motorcycle is, the front wheel is a couple inches bigger. Yeah.
Those are the claims.
So we need to use these to
These
attach.
look robust, heavy duty. They're not made out of plastic. It's metal.
And here are the other parts.
The bolts are metal.
As if they're plastic, they could break. Just like this.
It's supposed to sit like that.
Yes.
All right.
Put it like this and connect it to the razor blade.
Now that we got all the parts out, we can start assembling by checking out the owner's manual. These are the tools provided and all you need to assemble the bike except scissors and a pump. Let's hold the handlebar.
It's a handlebar, and you have to put the flat one
The flat bottom down,
because if it's a curved one, then it won't be able to stay.
the curved on top, and then we use the two bolts.
It's lining
Line them up.
up.
Let's get the other one as well. Don't over tighten one, just keep switching back and forth because then it's not gonna hold that great.
And it also helps to have somebody hold the handlebar down, because if it moves, then you could tighten it the wrong way.
Yeah, we need to tighten it to secure it in place so it doesn't come off.
Use the 5mm Allen wrench to tighten these parts and to adjust them. So I'm gonna sit down so you can see where the proper adjustment should be. And I would say probably here, so then when you pull,
Yes, should be comfortable enough.
so it can press.
Yep. Well, let's get them even.
Now, do I just tighten this?
Yeah.
Right. I feel like I'm going up.
No, you're in the right direction. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. These are plastic, so do not over tighten. Even though the bracket itself is metal, you don't want to crack the plastic over here. Let's do the same for the other one. Two grooves on the bottom that stick out, and we need to get it in there. So get these two in there.
Yeah, there we go. There we go.
Now, the nut, hand tighten, then get the 5mm Allen wrench on the bottom and the 10mm on top. Again, don't over tighten because this fender is plastic. So use the whole box to support the bike when you're installing the front wheel. This way, the whole bike is suspended in the air and the whole front is exposed, giving you room and support to insert the wheel. Make sure you align this center inner tube to be exactly where the hole is so the axle can slide through it. If it doesn't want to slide through it, then this cylinder inside is off. Make sure you have the washer on the outside and the spacer with the thick part close to the fork. When we insert the wheel, you gotta get the disc into the caliper and then center it so the bolt can go inside the wheel. When you get it on the other side, make sure you have the spacer in there. Aligned. Okay. And when it comes out on the other side, don't forget the washer, then the nut. Now you want to get these tight so the wheel doesn't fly off. So one wrench on this side, the other on the other, and tighten. Now that we have the wheel all said and done,
We're going to take the smallest wrench, put it on the biggest side, and start turning. We're gonna get it off so we can attach this side, and this side has number corners just to hide it.
you gotta use the 5mm Allen wrench to counter on the other side. So don't forget to put the sign in when you're putting the fender.
But if you accidentally forget, it's okay. All you have to do is do this.
Okay, then twist it where the floor is facing front, and you get the little insert. So you need helping hands again, because when I let go, this plastic comes off.
But I got this.
And I gotta put the nut in there somehow. Oh my god, this is tight. Just gonna tighten it from the bottom. And this top part, we need a screwdriver for it. Get the screw off with the little washer, then screw it in. Again, don't over tighten because this is plastic. Now that the front is ready, we can get it off the box. I don't know if you saw how I used the corner of the box for the support. I'll show you again. This way you can work on it. So don't just drop it, use the kickstand. Maximum tire pressure, 36 psi. Don't overdo it. Same goes on the front. Don't forget the cap. Cap off. Be careful with the disc. 36 in this one. Don't forget the cap. You're good to go.
Since this is a chain driven bike, not a belt driven, you always need to lubricate it, although it doesn't say so in the owner's manual. This is what I use on my bicycle, but I'll prefer to use this one since it's liquid grease on this one. So don't forget to lube it if you want to get the optimum performance.
Get it rolling to get the whole chain lubricated. Don't take it from me, take it from a cyclist.
I think that's plenty.
That should do it.
This is the charger, and we're gonna cut some of the things off, and I'm gonna show you where to plug it in. You're gonna be careful when you do this so you don't accidentally cut a cord. If you look closely, there's this very tiny thing. So all you have to do is turn it, find it, and then just try to get it together like that. And you plug this in. The minimum you have to charge it for is 12 hours. Now, go to some other effects. Right now it's off, and before every ride, you have to turn it on. And when you finish ride, turn it off. There are also other dirt bikes like the MX500 and the MX650. This is the MX500. The only real difference between the SX500 and the MX500 and then the MX650 is that the MX500 and the MX650, they have in here, there's the battery box, and the MX500 and the MX650, they have just like the battery box, and then they have like more cords sticking out. But the SX500 just has the battery box and then from 2 to 3 cords, kind of like here.
And what's the difference in price?
In price, the SX500 and the MX500 are about the same price, but you really, the MX650, you don't really have to get because it's just from $100 to $200 more, and all it is it comes in black and yellow, and it's basically the same exact thing as the MX500, just a different color.
All right. So this is the better deal, right?
Yes. Just twist down, and then you circle. If you twist down all the way, you can go up to the full speed.
So what's the lever for?
This lever is for your front wheel. So if we kind of just go like this, it's stopping the front wheel. And this one's for the back wheel. So if you're from the back, it'll stop the back wheel. So it can go up to 17 miles per hour.
Nice, nice. This is fast. Well, I hope you're safe with it. Stay safe. Use a helmet. The only thing left is a strong charge, at least 12 hours. And it should be good to go. Plug them and charging. Alright you guys, it's as simple as that. But you do need helping hands. You seem to know a lot about this bike. Are you excited?
Yes.
Get one of these for your kids or one of these. Which one's better?
Well, let's find out.
Alright. Oh. How old are you guys?
I'm 7 and I'm 9.
Just be careful. How was it, guys?
Good.
So they do recommend maximum load of 175. I'm 180, so let's give it a try.
Let me check. Good job.
That should be on the blueprints.
Rev up your engines!